Well, Liz, I think the word that we might have said most this morning is the word ice and roadways and be careful. I've just given you a piece of ice to hold there to really show kind of what it is like outside for maybe viewers that are just waking up right now.
Yeah, Maya, we didn't get to have the snowball fights like Houston got to have. We got more ice than snow, so kind of dangerous to be throwing this around. It is a brick. I mean, look at that. It's just straight ice, and that's what was falling and collecting on roadways this morning. So that is what's out here, and that is going to be very slick. I mean, there's not a lot of room for stopping or gripping your tires when you have that on the roadway. So black ice is going to be out there, and it felt pretty wet early in the early morning hours and overnight last night. So when that falls wet, temperatures are dropping now. It's going to be hard and just very slick, kind of just a line of ice out there. So anybody on those roadways, basically just out there at your own risk, because things are going to be very slick, very dangerous early this morning. Any kind of precipitation is out of here, but what's left over is what we're dealing with now. And temperatures on roadways this morning are in the 20s, so that is absolutely cold enough for any kind of that moisture that was more slush in the overnight hours, where it was slightly warmer in the low to mid 30s, to now become ice. It's just going to be a hard set piece of ice out there on most of those roadways this morning, including some black ice where it looks like it's clear, but it's actually just a thin layer of ice on that black asphalt. So that's why it's called black ice, and that's where it can become pretty dangerous. You don't know you're even driving on ice because you can't see it. Most of the roadways are listed as icy or snowy, but I can guarantee even where that snow is listed across South Georgia and where more snow fell, like in Bainbridge, than ice, there is a layer of ice underneath that snow. So it's best just to stay off the roadways. You've heard officials say it all morning long. We're saying it. You know, it's just better to stay home off those roadways, because if you do get stranded somewhere, it is going to be very cold, and that is not what you want for early Wednesday morning. Now, ice, of course, the biggest impact on roadways, but also power outages this morning. We had 10,000 people without power and still do in Wakulla County, about 2,000 without power in Tallahassee, about 500 of our power outages being restored just over the last half hour or so. But again, that ice, a huge impact on stressing those power poles, those power lines, some branches, and that's why we have some power outages early this morning. And thinking about those people, because temperatures keep dropping, it is going to be cold without power. So hopefully you're near shelter or can find shelter very quickly to keep warm over the next several hours, because temperatures just keep dropping. We are at 20 degrees. These are actual temperatures now. 20 degrees is the actual temperature in Bainbridge. Now you add in just a little bit of wind, maybe 5, 10, 15 mile per hour gusts, and that is going to make it feel so much colder. So in Thomasville this morning, 19 mile per hour gusts, and look at what it feels like outside. Nearly single digits in Bainbridge. And again, it's not even the coldest part of the day. We still have about an hour to go for temperatures to drop even more. So some of these wind chill values, you'll be feeling more like the single digits outside early this morning. And that's where our concerns for frostbite come into play. We have extreme cold warnings in place for today, this morning, and again tonight for Thursday morning, as that cold air pushes in behind that winter storm. Frostbite, obviously the main concern there, and refreezing of roadways very quickly. Flash freezing of any kind of slush that's left over on those roadways from thawing today is likely to refreeze tomorrow morning, creating more ice and black ice for your drive around town or around I-10 for Thursday morning. So something we're going to keep in mind over the next few days is going to be the refreezing of ice and the cold temperatures. That's what's left behind this winter weather, this winter storm that has pushed through, leaving us icy and snowy early this Wednesday morning. The high today, only 36 degrees. So again, if you're getting out on those roadways this morning, it is advised not to. If you get stranded or wreck, it's going to be very cold outside to be sitting around in your car waiting on any kind of help to come and get you. 20 degrees is the low tonight. Rain chances are out of here for the rest of the week. We slowly warm up, but again, the problem tonight is going to be the cold weather and refreezing.